Hello friends, how are you? This is Cherry. Welcome to my channel Grooming with Cherry. Today my topic is hardworking versus smart work. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, hardworking versus smart work. Do you think it should required you should do hard working? Nowadays it's not required. You should always do smart work. Like for example, I will tell you that um, you do not have to buy car. You can avail cabs if you are in metros, if you are in tier 1 or tier 2 cities. You always have a habit to use cabs, always have a habit to use public transport. If you because if you are good enough, you can travel by AC buses, you can travel by metros, you can travel by cabs. Try to use cabs, try to use e-commerce. Don't go to market buying something, okay, buying something, and uh, do not do that. Buying in the markets, always try to have e-commerce platform. You try to use e-commerce platform. Order something, you get it in your home. Don't, you will get cheaper rate also. Okay, if you want to buy a luxury car, buy a second hand luxury car. If you want to buy a Audi, if you want to buy a Benz, if you want to buy a BM, you can use it second and good. Half, one third price you'll be getting it. Have it on weekend, ride on weekend. That's called smart job. Don't buy houses in metros. If you have a dream of buying, buy a small one with at least 60-70% funding savings in your bank account, or else don't buy it. Suppose if you are from Mumbai, if you are from Delhi, if you want to come down to Bangalore, or if you want to Bangalore come down to, if your company send you to Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, anywhere, go and have a good rent, stay there happily. Don't take burden. Okay, don't take burden. That's called smart job. Smart guys don't take burden. Yes, remember this thing. Always remember this thing. Smart boys, they don't take burden. Okay, they take less risk and enjoy the life. Guys, try to enjoy your life, because this will not come again. If you are in debt, if you are in loans, you cannot sleep. Tomorrow you may be your score may be down. If you have credit cards, only use credit card for launch access, only use credit card for points. Use it whatever amount you want to use it. Use it same amount you should be having in your debit card. Use it and pay it on next day. You will having points, you will be getting the points, as well as you will enjoy. If you are using your credit card as loans, then guys, tomorrow you will be, yes, burden. Don't take burden. Always try to enjoy your life. That's the smart job. If you are a software engineer, you are a fresher developer, something tasks will be given to you day by day, every day. You may not be knowing that work. You may hire some consultant, tell about your tasks and projects. They will do it, take some charge, some nominal fees, and they will do it. That is a smart job, where you will be good enough reputation in your organization. You have done your tasks, you will be getting good impression from your team lead. You will be doing your tasks day by day. You do it, and after that you try to learn it, and finally you can do it on your own one day, because in couple of months or 6 months or 1 year you will do it from your own. Like this you can save your job, as well as you can save your, you can have a good impression in your company organization. This is called smart job. Smart guys always looks also smart. Yes, you have to adopt some formulas to enjoy the smartness. Like I told, e-commerce, like I told, cabs, no loans. Enjoy your day-to-day life, that's smart work. Okay, give some value added to your clients, customer, that's the smart work, smart job. If you say to your boss that, boss, I have gone there, I've done some hard working jobs, waited for nothing here, where is the output? If there is no output, then nobody will be happy on you. So to get output, you should be smart enough. You should not do hard working, because a guy who is digging the field, he also is doing hard work. Guy is pulling rickshaw, he is also doing hard work. How much he earns a day? That's not your business, guys. My viewers, that's not your business. You have to build smart. You have to think smart. Okay, always you have to think smart. Like in insurance company, people are saying you take this insurance. No, don't take, not required. If you are doing any life insurance, and do only life insurance. Don't take money back scheme, or don't take other schemes, because those are the schemes. ULIP schemes, a lot of schemes are there, right? So don't take all those schemes. If you are taking all those schemes, you are making yourself fool. They are making you fool. They are doing smart job. You are making yourself fool. So don't do that. You will be thinking that, yeah, I have done nothing. If you are doing insurance, do it insurance. When you die, your beneficiary will get benefit. So these are some smart jobs. Okay, financial planning also a smart job. How to do financial planning, that is also a smart job. Okay, you have to smartly invest in the market. How to do smartly invest in the market, so that also you have to think, how I can gain some money, how I can grow my money. So that is also a smart job. So always think smart. Okay, don't do hard work, not required. If you do hard work, you are fool. If you are saying somebody that I have a hard working guy, you are a fool. You are not a hard working guy. You are not eligible in this market. So always do smart job. Thank you.